Theta value equivalent to $1.0160 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. The present exchange cost range, 1.0150–1.0310 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 1.0290 amazingly. The change was 0.0130, 1.26% in an extremely significant way. Reverse rate, USD to Theta in an unpretentious way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which sort of is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.06, sort of greatest 1.13, beautiful least 0.99, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $1.04, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.11, genuinely least 0.97, which truly is genuinely critical. Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $1.02, especially greatest 1.09, in every way that really matters, least 0.95. So today, exchange cost range, 1.0150–1.0310 in an unobtrusive way. Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.07, especially greatest 1.14, genuinely least 1.00, or so they thought. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1.03, fundamentally most extreme 1.10, beautiful least 0.96, or so they really thought. Theta conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.97, most extreme 1.04, in every way that really matters, least 0.90, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.87, most certainly greatest 0.93, really least 0.81, which in a real sense is very huge. Theta conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $0.95, especially greatest 1.02, fundamentally least 0.88, which by and large is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.94, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.01, extremely least 0.87, which explicitly is very huge. In about 14 days Theta estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.94, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.01, least 0.87 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.94, fundamentally greatest 1.01, sort of least 0.87, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $0.98, greatest 1.05, extremely least 0.91, which sort of is very critical. Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $1.01, certainly most extreme 1.08, kind of least 0.94, which by and large is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.99, especially greatest 1.06, certainly least 0.92, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.97, in every way that really matters, greatest 1.04, truly least 0.90 in an especially enormous way. Theta gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $1.00, kind of greatest 1.07, especially least 0.93, showing how Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.99, truly most extreme 1.06, truly least 0.92, or so they explicitly thought. Theta cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.99, extremely greatest 1.06, fundamentally least 0.92, which certainly is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.99, really greatest 1.06, sort of least 0.92, showing how today, exchange cost range, 1.0150–1.0310, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.97, truly most extreme 1.04, genuinely least 0.90 in an especially significant way. In about a month Theta estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.96, genuinely greatest 1.03, really least 0.89, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.96, certainly most extreme 1.03, fundamentally least 0.89, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Theta gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $1.01, kind of greatest 1.08, least 0.94. USD to Theta swapping scale equivalent to 0.9843 coins per $1, which basically is very critical. Today, S reach 0.9699-0.9852 in a very large way. The past day, S nearby 0.9718. So in about a month, Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 24, costs $0.96. Truly most extreme 1.03, lovely least 0.89, which truly is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.0125, plus 1.29% in a genuinely significant way. USD to Theta cost conjecture for in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting how Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, costs $0.94, especially greatest 1.01, in every way that really matters, least 0.87, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, April 27, costs 0.943 coins, genuinely greatest 1.010, by and large least 0.885, showing how Theta figure on Friday, April 28, cost $1.04, truly most extreme 1.11, genuinely least 0.97 in an unpretentious way. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.962 coins, lovely greatest 1.031, exceptionally least 0.901. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.980 coins, really greatest 1.053, essentially least 0.917, showing how Theta value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month in a very significant manner. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.935 coins, sort of most extreme 1.000, fundamentally least 0.877 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.971 coins, especially most extreme 1.042, least 0.909, showing how Theta figure on Friday, May 26, cost $1.01, really greatest 1.08, especially least 0.94, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.031 coins, exceptionally greatest 1.111, by and large least 0.962, showing how Theta figure on Monday, May 22, cost $0.99, genuinely most extreme 1.06, in every practical sense, least 0.92, showing how today, S exchange cost range 1.0150-1.0310 in a huge way. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, May 5, cost 1.149 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1.235, least 1.075 in a genuinely significant way. USD to Theta forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 1.053 coins, truly most extreme 1.136, truly least 0.980. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.064 coins, exceptionally most extreme 1.149, really least 0.990, especially further appearance how Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.97.